Hello students, I am going to discuss solution of page 1, motion in a straight line. Okay. Question number 23 here. So here is given, here displacement is given, right? X square as a 80 square plus 2bt plus c. So once you differentiate with respect to time, we will get here 2x into dx by dt is equal to 280 plus 2b, right? Because if it once you differentiate, I will get velocity. For acceleration, I have to double differentiate it, right? So you got here now. So x, this is what? Dx by dt is what? V. So we get here 2x v is equal to 2 into 80 plus b. Cancel. So I got here vx is equal to 80 plus b. Now let's differentiate this one more time. So we will get here dv by dt into x plus v into dx by dt, right? Is equal to how much? Just a. D by dt of 80 plus will become just a. Now what is this? This is acceleration. So x into a plus dx by dt is v. So v square is equal to a, right? Now, so what is the a values? A will become, this acceleration, don't get confused with this a and this b. Let's say right here AC. AC means acceleration. So AC is equal to a minus b square by x, correct? Okay. And already we are having value of v square. So v is equal to v, you can substitute you can get the value of v from here. From this, what is v value? 80. V will get here 80 plus b by x. So v square will become 80 plus b the whole square by x square, right? So substitute, so once substitute the value here, you will get here, see, you can, let's say this, take this question number 1, right? So v square I got here 80 plus b by x the whole square. So you're going to get a square t square plus b square plus 2b t divided by x square, right? So from here, I'm going to get, yeah, and already we are having value of x square is equal to how much? 80 square plus 2bt plus c. So 80 square plus 2bt will give you here c minus x square, right? Fine. So 80 square, so this will become 80 square plus 2bt. 80 square plus 2bt will give you x square. So this will become here. So v square I'm going to get here. Take a square, a common, right? So we'll get here x square minus c plus b square, correct? Its value is given here, right? So you are going to get 2a, okay, fine. So now you got here v square is equal to how much? Divided by x square, right? So substitute the value here. So AC will become a minus a x square minus here AC plus b square divided by x square divided by x, right? What is simplify? You will get it here. You will get here. See, if take LCM, so you will get here x square into x cube, and here you will get x square minus x square cancel. You will get here AC minus b square by x cube. So this is the value of acceleration that we are getting here. Okay, students? Fine. So thank you.